Are you struggling to find the perfect coffee machine that suits your needs and budget? With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to choose a product that checks all the boxes: style, convenience, and performance. Maybe you're after that barista-level espresso or a machine that serves multiple tastes, but you're unsure which one stands out. Don't worry, in this video, we'll help you find your ideal coffee machine. We've narrowed down the top 5 picks, highlighting their features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Stick around to discover which one fits your coffee-making dreams. And don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and the best deals. Number 1. BioloMix 20-bar semi-automatic powder coffee machine. The BioloMix 20-bar coffee machine is a perfect choice for anyone craving cafe-quality coffee at home. With its 20-bar pressure system, it ensures a rich, creamy espresso every time. Its stainless steel body not only offers durability, but also adds a sleek touch to your kitchen. This machine can make up to 10 to 12 cups, making it ideal for families or coffee enthusiasts. However, while it excels in espresso making, it lacks a built-in grinder, so you'll need to pre-grind your coffee. Despite this, its powerful steam wand makes it a fantastic option for cappuccinos, lattes, and mochas. If you want a robust, semi-automatic espresso maker with premium performance, the BioloMix is an excellent investment. Number 2. Mcilpoog AC 510 19-bar semi-automatic espresso machine. The Mcilpoog AC 510 combines versatility and convenience, offering an integrated grinder, steam wand, and a powerful 19-bar pump pressure system. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys a hands-on approach to brewing coffee, but still wants the convenience of an all-in-one machine. With a capacity of over 16 cups, this machine is great for larger households or gatherings. On the downside, its plastic housing may not feel as premium as metal alternatives, and it has a lower power range of 100–199 watt. Nonetheless, its ability to deliver consistent and flavorful coffee drinks makes it a great option for those seeking versatility and reliability. Number 3. Fully automatic coffee machine with milk frother. This fully automatic coffee machine from Mcilpoog is a dream for those who love variety. With the ability to brew espresso, cappuccino, macchiato, and more, it satisfies every coffee craving. Its automatic milk frother and self-cleaning features make it incredibly user-friendly. The LCD display ensures intuitive operation, making it an excellent choice for beginners. One potential drawback is its smaller water tank capacity, ranging from 0 to 1 liters, which may require frequent refilling. Still, with its multifunctionality and ease of use, this machine is perfect for anyone looking for a hassle-free coffee experience. Number 4. Mcilpoog M3 Automatic Espresso Machine. The Mcilpoog M3 is a premium option with advanced features, including a touchscreen interface, built-in milk frother, and 7 coffee varieties to choose from. Its 19-bar pump pressure and customizable grind settings let you craft coffee like a professional barista. The machine's modern design and larger water tank make it ideal for both home and office settings. That said, its higher price point and larger size may not suit all budgets or spaces. However, for those who prioritize customization, variety, and quality, the Mcilpoog M3 is a top-tier option worth considering. Number 5. HiBREW Coffee Maker Cafetera 20-bar. The HiBREW coffee maker stands out for its ultra-slim design and 20-bar pressure system, perfect for espresso lovers with limited counter space. Its stainless steel housing ensures durability, while its compatibility with SA pods and ground coffee adds flexibility. This is an excellent choice for quick and delicious espressos or cappuccinos. On the downside, it has a smaller capacity of fewer than 5 cups, which might not be sufficient for large households. But if you value compactness, efficiency, and a stylish design, the HiBREW is an excellent option for your coffee routine.